In this Revizto training session, we're going to be focused on the section cut tool. The section cut tool is located in the 3D environment and is the fifth tool from the right on the toolbar at the top of the screen. Upon engaging the section cut tool, you'll notice that the section cut tool itself appears in front of us. Everything in Revizto, from the measuring tool to the section cut tool, is a face-based application. This enables ease of use upon non-technical users and allows you to quickly cut section based on geometrical items inside of the project. If I want to use the floor to cut my first section, I can simply grab the bottom of our section tool and place it on the floor. As you'll see, the section cuts right through the model. If I want to adjust where the section is located, I can use the slider tool at the top of the section cutting tool to slide my section plane up and down throughout the model. If I wish to change the plane that I'm working with, all I simply do is grab the tool itself, place it on a new face, and I can begin to cut a section based on that new face. In Revizto, we are not limited to orthographic or orthogonal sections either. We can place this tool on any face that we would like and cut a section based off where that face is located at in the project, as you can see as we cut through here. The other tool that we have when talking about sections is the ability to do a section box. Whenever I switch to the box command, as you'll see up here, a box will appear, and as soon as I make an edit to that box, it will section that off and allow me to see what's inside of that section box. When working with the section box, I can control the scale of the section box. I can push and pull individual faces of the section box. I can move the section box throughout the model, or I can even choose to rotate it to bring it in line with a certain type of view that I would like, or anything like that. If I need to create an issue directly from this view, I can do that right here, or I can simply exit out of the view and save that section box in my current view. Keep in mind that anytime we change anything with visibility or sectioning, these can be saved in our viewpoint tool that's located right here.